Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you customize your text into your Google Chat, such as italic, underline and strike through. Now in order to do all that, you just simply have to open your chat application, and after that simply open the chat where you would like to send the customized or stylized text. Now after opening the chat, just simply tap to the plus button. Now, after tapping into the plus button, you will get to see this format option directly. Tap to format option and you can choose so many stylizing formats into here, such as italic. If I type now, my text will be italic. As you can see here, my ABC is successfully italic. And after that, if I select underline, it will also underline my words. Then the third option we have here is to strike through. Now, if I select all three, it will do something like this. Now you can just simply choose the options that you really like or really want, or leave the others, or you can use all of them as you want. This way you can easily customize your text and send it to the Google Chat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.